Welcome back. You're watching Buy Now, Sell Now on ET Now, and shifting focus to once again to the earnings. And let's talk about Bharat Electronics. It was a strong quarter for this particular company, where the company has once again reaffirmed their order book guidance. The order inflow has seen at over 20,000 crores and whatnot. So let's try and connect with the management and understand what is the growth trajectory expected going ahead. Onto the show, we are being joined by Bhanu Prakash Srivastava, CMD at Bharat Electronics. Very good morning, Bhanu, and thank you so much for your time to ET Now. Firstly, you have maintained your guidance on the order inflow at 20,000 crore plus. But Q1 FY24, the order inflow is already at 8,100 crores. So are you being a bit conservative, as it appears well on track to exceed its FY24 target?
What guidance we have given is based on what are the orders in pipeline. It so happened that some of the orders were in advanced stage and got materialized in first quarter. That's how we have an order inflow of around 8,100. But we stick to 20,000 crore plus order inflow in this financial year, because the new orders which will come into pipeline, they are not likely to materialize in this financial year. So whatever in the pipeline and in the process, we expect that to add up to around 20,000 crore plus.
Good morning to you, Mr. Srivastava. Thank you so much for joining us on ET Now. This is Cheryl on the other side. If you look at the improved learning curve for contracts like LRSM, SAM, better operating leverage as well as indigenization mandate, on back of all of these factors, are you expecting a margin ranging above the 23 to 24% for your company going ahead?
No, we stick to, because the way our products are there and the product mix are there, the margins will be between 21 to 23. It so happen in some quarter it may be slightly less, some quarter it may be slightly more, depending upon what type of product mix it is getting dispatched. But overall, it will be between 21 to 23%.
All right, noted. So what about the margin beyond FY24? Do you think that is likely to cross 23%, sir?
We stick to the same range, because see, majority of the products are going to defense services, and the type of margins we are which is available in product range, it's in the same range.
Mr. Bhanu, has significant orders in the pipeline, and update us on some of the mega orders that we could see coming, especially from your QRSAM as well as MRSAM orders. What is the order value likely to be?
See, the orders in pipeline, if you see major orders, apart from whatever small orders, 200, 300 crores are there, which runs into multiple lines. One is that electronic fuses, 4,000 crore plus. Then all Bayer-nominated equipment on new generation offshore petrol vessels, which GRSC and GSL got, that L&T got that cadet training ship. So these naval platforms, this will come around 6,000 crore plus. There may be a possibility of we getting EW system for ship-based system, tank upgrades. So all add together will be around 20,000 crore plus in this financial year. As far as QRSAM the progress is concerned, post-trial services have started working on that. But this being a big ticket projects, it may likely to come in next financial year, not in this.
Right, let's shift focus to the non-defense space then. What about the growth going ahead in the non-defense space, which actually led to the beat in your EBITDA? So I'm talking about the metro system, the aviation sector. How is the order traction in that space?
These are all initial stages where we have more or less completed development on some items development are in progress. So these will be materializing in not this year, maybe next year onwards. That significant value. Few orders will come, but that value will not that be large to have any significant impact on our order booking.
Okay, Mr. Bhanu, but historically, as we go into elections, the order slowdown takes place. So any slowdown that is anticipating going ahead?
I don't think, because country's defense acquisition is anyway impacted by elections. So I don't anticipate. And what we have projected this year, are based on whatever are in pipeline. So once they are in pipeline, there is very little likelihood of any impact on this.
All right, Mr. Srivastava, we leave it there. Thank you so much for joining us on ET Now, and all the best for the future for BEL going ahead. And that was the management of Bharat Electronics.